Okay, use it the word repeated.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is a example for that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sai Sri, you are very good, Andy. Okay. Next. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, చెప్పండి.
Lakshmi చెప్పారు.
మా A2. A2
బేసిక్ చెప్పాను సార్.
అమ్మా.
సాయి శ్రీ సార్.
Yeah. Do you want to tell?
ఇప్పటి వరకు
ఓకే ఓకే సాయి లక్ష్మి చెప్పారా? రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే. మీరు A2. యా ఓకే దెన్. Will you tell now? Sai Sri. Yeah. Okay. Your voice is somehow breaking.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes. It's clear now. Sai Sri, it's clear now. Okay, I think she lost her network. Yes, yes. Sai Sri.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Sai Sri and I hail from Amlapuram. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in the stream of CSC at SRKR Engineering College, and my graduation is about to complete in the next couple of months. Currently, I want to secure a job as a software engineer in Infosys. My long-term goal is to be associated with a company where I can prove my skills and abilities to be in a good position. My strength is hardworking, self-confidence, and teamwork, and I am an optimistic person. I have done a web development course which include programming languages such as C++ and Java. My hobbies are listening to music, reading the newspaper. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Very good, Andy. Very good. Thank you. And you have given a very good introduction about yourself. Okay. Good. Keep it up. And next, B5, Kartikeya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's your turn now.
Good morning, sir. I am very glad to introduce myself to you. I am Kartikeya. I am born and raised in Amalapuram. And right now I am pursuing BTech Computer Science as a mainstream in SRK Engineering College. I did my schooling and intermediate in Amalapuram, and I never ever want to waste my time. That proves my additional credential where I got from SRK Engineering College. There are so many things to mention about myself. I am acting enthusiastic and thirst of knowledge person. I scored more than 80% in all my academics, which proves I was sincere in my studies, as well as I got so many awards and certifications in school and college levels. I have a beautiful family of 4 members. My father is a farmer, and which is very difficult to make more money on. Only depends upon the source. I still remember every day he used to teach me the value of 1 rupee, how it leads to the happier of curseful life. He gives very respect to each and every moment of life. I personally learn from him. If we spend an hour time on our goal, we can achieve something on it. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Andy. Excellent. Kartikeya. But the thing that you have to remember is have some pauses.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Have some pauses. Don't you are so accurate, of course, but the voice must be, the tone must be fluctuated with the pauses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Very good, Andy. Very good. Keep it up. Next is B1 here. No. B not. Kiran Mai finished, right? Lahari. No. A6 Sai Lakshmi. Okay. A7 no. A1 Lokesh Babu. No. ఏంట్రా నాయన 30 members, 29 members. 85 Pujita. Pujita 85. Kartikeya, number 66, no, 67, Malavika.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We may start.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. My name is Malavika. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing first BTech in SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram, West Godavari District, Andhra Pradesh. I belong to a nuclear family. We are 4 members in my family, including me. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. I always keen to upskill myself whenever I get whenever I get time by learning new things. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company. My long-term goal is to achieve good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobbies are listening to music, sometimes cooking, playing. That's all about me. Thanks again for this opportunity, sir.
Very good, Andy. Very good, Malavika. No drawbacks in your personal interaction. Okay. Very good. Good luck. Next. Is Jagdish here? You're not? No. C1. Who is C1? Manikirti. Kirti. C4 Surya. C5 Mr. R and ఎవరు C5 ఎవరండి రామానాయుడు C7
Sir.
yes Kartikeya finished
Sir.
you finished
What?
right okay then you may start
Sir, my name is Kartikeya. I'm from Bhimavaram. So this is an honor for me to introduce myself, sir. I'm currently pursuing graduate in SRK Engineering College, sir. So my qualifications, sir, I'm a workaholic and an easygoing person in the life. I can handle multiple situations concurrently and accurately. So I have worked as a receptionist in a reputed company, and I also promoted after 6 months. So it's been an honor for me if you give this job for me. Thank you, sir.
very good Andy very good the same like Venkat Lakshmi okay so you're also to improve your pronunciation it is not honor it is honor Venkat Lakshmi you too the same honor not honor
sir.
honor okay and reputed company but not reputed company Kartikeya
Sir.
got my points
Yes, sir.
okay and the rest is okay Andy especially the pronunciation of the words or somehow means you have mispronounced the words okay the rest is good thank you keep it up yes next 68 ఎవరండి సోనీ సోనీ సోనీ
Yes, sir.
yeah introduce yourself Sony
Last class options.
no actually though you're absent in the last class last day that is yesterday we have no class right at least you might have inquired about the things that we discussed in the class right okay so So next time there would be no excuses. If you are absent, just at least at the evening of that particular day, you have to inquire what happened in the classes. Then you can do the work, right? Don't be lethargic. Not only you, everybody. Next, Divakar. 71 Divakar.
Sir,
Yes.
good morning, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Devakar. I am native to Kadiyam, East Godavari district. I completed my schooling and in college with good marks. I am currently pursuing my engineering at the SRKR Engineering College. I want to secure good job with your company, and my long term goal is to secure a good position in your in any company. I am self motivated and hard worker. My strengths are good communication skills and presentation skills. In my free time, I usually spend with listening music and playing and watching movies. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Yeah, very good, and very good. Very good, Divakar. Keep it up. Very good introduction.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And next, 92 Chandrasekhar.
Sir,
Yes.
good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Chandrasekhar. I am native to Rajahmundry. We are three members in our family, including me. Currently, I am pursuing first BTech at SRKR Engineering College, and my graduation is about to complete in next couple of months. My short-term goal is to secure a job with reputed company. My long-term goal is to gain work experience of 5 to 7 years in this field. I am self-motivated. My strengths are my analytical approach and human touch to the situations. In free time, I enjoy spending time with friends and traveling and even play games. Thank you, sir, again for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah. Very good, Chandrasekhar. Very good. But the pronunciation again, it's not analytical. It is analytical, right? And before that, you said before your strengths, you said something. What is that?
I am self-motivated.
Before that sentence, another sentence you have used.
My long-term goal is
Yes, it is goal, not girl. Okay. See the
Okay,
pronunciation. Be careful with the pronunciation. Long term girl, short term girl. If you say so, the meaning will be changed. Okay. It is short term goal, long term goal, goal. Okay. See the difference. Clear?
okay, sir.
And the rest is okay, and the rest of the things are okay except the pronunciation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and one more thing I'd like to mention, I'd like to tell to everybody that I sent that picture just for your reference, and I wanted you to prepare your own personal introduction. And you have copied the strengths, you have copied the hobbies, you have your own hobbies, you have your own strengths, you have your own style. Prepare so, right? Don't copy everything from that. Clear? If I ask you people that, can you please tell me one example that you have experienced with your analytical ability? Can you give? So don't copy anything from that particular page that I sent you. Okay. So just you can search for the strengths that are given in the net. Okay. You can search for them in the net. Then definitely you can identify your own strengths among the list of strengths that are given. Okay, and then definitely you can choose the best strengths or best hobbies that you have. ఎందుకంటే మన స్ట్రెంగ్స్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి మన స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏంటి అనే ఆలోచనలో పడుతూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, దేని వల్ల మనం సక్సెస్ అవుతున్నాయండి ఒక్కొక్క విషయంలో మనం ఆలోచన. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం నెట్ లో సెర్చ్ చేయడం స్ట్రెంగ్స్, లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెంగ్స్ చూసుకుంటే, పర్సనల్ ట్రైట్స్ కానీ పర్సనల్ స్ట్రెంగ్స్ అని కానీ చూసుకుంటే, దెన్ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేసిన ఉంటాయి. అందులో ఓకే ఇది నేను ఎప్పుడు కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఉంటాను కదా, సో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో మై స్ట్రెంగ్త్. ఓకే, అలాగా కొంచెం ఆ స్ట్రెంగ్స్ మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, యా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ C4 సూర్యనారాయణ. C8 సీతు. (72) విష్ణుతేజ. 72 విష్ణుతేజ. శ్రావణి A7. No. 99 గోవిందరాజు. మిస్టర్ గోవింద్. ఏంటమ్మా సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోతున్నారు ఏంటి డేట్స్ ఇవ్వకుండాని? మిగిలిన సిఆర్, మీ క్లాస్ సిఆర్ ఎవరు? వెంకటలక్ష్మి.
హలో సార్, నేను కాదు సార్.
మీరు కాదు, సిఆర్ ఎవరని అడుగుతున్నారు మీ క్లాస్.
అంటే ఫిజిక్స్ మేడం 4 members ని పెట్టారు సార్.
4 members-ఆ? ఓకే.
చరిష్మా, లహరి, కార్తికేయ, వాళ్ళు ఇంకొకరు తెలియదు సార్. వాళ్ళు ముగ్గురు అయితే సిఆర్ సార్.
ఓకే, లహరి అంటే ఏనైనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
చరిష్మా వాట్స్ యువర్
80 సార్.
80. Is she here? No. Yes? 80. Yes. Where are the other students? And last class లో కూడా ఎలాగ ఉన్నారా?
Don't know, sir. I'm not taking the responsibility of CR.
No. At least you have seen the participants, right?
around 46-48.
Last class ఏంటి? బద్రిరాజు సార్ క్లాసా?
Data structures.
అదే సార్, బద్రిరాజు సారా?
Yes, sir.
అందుకని వచ్చారు అంతమంది. ఓకే, చరిష్మా, యూ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండి.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Charishma. I am born and brought up in Chennai-Gudam. I stay in the village Chennai-Gudam. Currently, I am pursuing at the SRK Engineering College. My short-term goal is learning about the engineering profession, and my long-term goal is to perform exceptionally well in job. My strengths are my strength is my confidence, and my weakness is that I can easily trust people. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with friends, listening to music. That's all about myself. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good అండి, వెరీ గుడ్ చరిష్మా. బట్ లాస్ట్ 2 sentences ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయండి.
My strength is my confidence. My weakness is that I can easily trust.
Yes, I told you that don't mention your weakness in your personal introduction unless you are asked specifically, right? So specific గా మిమ్మల్ని ఎప్పుడైతే వాట్స్ యువర్ వీక్నెస్, కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ వీక్నెస్ అని అడిగితే then you can reveal it. Okay, until and unless then please don't reveal your weakness, don't tell about your weakness. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yeah, and you have used the correct word, born and brought up in Chennai-Gudam, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for that I'd like to tell one correction for the other guy, not you. The other guy who used that particular phrase, born and raised, he said. Okay, I don't know who that particular person is. I think Kartikeya. Okay, Sri Ramakartikeya B5. Okay, so born and raised not, it is born and brought up. That's the best example, best phrase, correct phrase that we can use. Okay, very good. And next, let's end the class with the last presentation now. Then we shall move on to the rest of the questions in the next class. Okay, B6 is B6 and
Yes, sir.
yeah, what's your name?
Kamal, sir.
Kamal, yes. Tell me.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kamal. I am from Palkol. I completed my schooling in KKR College, Gudivada, and I completed my intermediate in SSJC College. Now I am graduating at SRK Engineering College. My goals are to get a job in a good company. My hobbies is to playing outdoor and indoor games. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.
Okay, very good. See, you said my goals are, right? You said goals are, but you said only one goal. Okay, so you must be aware of the grammar that that you use while you are introducing yourself, while you are using the sentences in the in interaction. Okay, in your speech. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Basics. What's your name? Said
Kamal, sir.
yeah, Kamal. But the rest of the things are okay, and except the grammatical errors. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's end the class with this, and we shall go for the other questions. We shall discuss the rest of the questions of from frequently asked questions in the interviews in the next class. Okay. And Girish, Mr. Girish, Kartikeya, CRs ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. Girish 75 is not here, I think. Kartikeya, which Kartikeya అండి? T7 B5 లేకపోతే 67 సో 68 66 66, yes, 66. Is he here? He is not here, I think. No CR is available. Okay, then I shall talk to your ma'am once, your class in charge. Okay, good luck, guys. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next class.